Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Leadpages for CRM Landing Pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a page that prompts you to choose a plan. Review the features of each plan and select the one that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Start Free Trial or Choose Plan button. This will take you to a sign-up form where you need to enter your email address. Create a password that meets the security requirements outlined. Fill in any additional required information, including your name and contact details. Once all information is entered correctly, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click the Create Account button to proceed. After creating your account, you may receive a confirmation email. Open that email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will verify your account and direct you back to Leadpages. Log in with your newly created email and password. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Leadpages dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Integrations section. Connect your preferred CRM by following the on-screen prompts. Authorize the connection to allow Leadpages to sync your data. Next, go to the Landing Pages section from the main menu. Select Create New Landing Page to start building your page. Choose a template that fits your business style and objectives. Customize the template using the drag and drop builder provided. Add elements such as text, images, and forms as needed. After you complete the design, click Save to keep your changes. Finally, publish your landing page to make it live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.